Now we have for you this Volkswagen Polo. It's a Mark 6 facelift, 1 litre TSI life, 95 PS. Now the car is superb and it has a good spec, including adaptive cruise control with front assist, hill hold control, front and rear parking sensors, a multifunction front-facing camera, an anti-lock braking system, a driver alert system, and these 16-inch Everett alloy wheels. Now, moving on to the boot is a good size and it has a lot of space. The interior has an eCall emergency call service, a USB port for Apple or Android CarPlay, and a composition media system. So for more information, feel free to phone, email, or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.